Hello, dancers and kings. How are you doing? How was your night? I hope you guys are good. So this morning, we are going to be preparing smoothies, okay? I'm going to be showing you the fruits I'll be using also to prepare the smoothies. And you can do this to boost up your immune system. You can do this to enrich your system also because of the sun is so heating and the sun is sunny. Then you can just do this to refresh your skin. You know that fruits can easily make your skin glow, not just your cream alone. Fruits, water makes your skin to glow more. So having said all that, we are going to start blending right now. So guys, first of all, you remember what happened to me the other time that after doing my smoothies, I lost it all because the button of my blender pulled off. I hope that will not happen today, okay? So first of all, I fit in my bucket. After fitting in the bucket, because it's already plugged, then I have to add water. Okay, no. Let me start to put the fruits first before adding water, okay? Then I have a different type of fruits here. Look at it. See, awesome. I have berries. Mostly what is here is all berries. Blackberries, red berries, the other berries, the other berries, the other berries. Everything here is berries. So we are going to be adding some of it to my blending. Put some of it. Oops. I had wanted to add some apple. I want to add some apple, but I did tire. I don't think they go to peel apple now, so I'm just going to be putting this, okay? I put more strawberry. Put more strawberry. Let's reserve this for tomorrow, okay? So then the next thing is to add my pineapple. Okay, finally, yeah. So we are going to be putting some of the pineapple. I bought this pineapple because I got tired of peeling pineapples and all the I cannot do that. So I decided to get this very particular one for myself. I just put 3 slices inside there. Let me add this pineapple to this one so that I can store them together in the fridge again. Then after all this, guys, we put in water, okay? At this point, you can put as much as water that you need. So I'm not going to tell you measure this, measure that. Put as much as you know you are okay with. I am going to be adding almost to the, I will put up to 1.25. Okay, I have here 1.25 liters. 1.25 liters. Then what next is honey. Guys, can you see? This is biologic natural honey. That's what I'm using. So if you can afford it, you can go for it. If you can't, you can also go for the one you know you can afford. But as for me, this is the one I prefer. Then we are going to be adding. Trust me, African mothers, we use our eyes and our sense to measure things. When you get this honey for yourself and you taste it, you buy the other one and taste it, you will understand the difference between organic and non-organic products, okay? Whenever I have money, I prefer buying organic products. I manage others if I don't have enough. Be careful. Okay. Now we'll cover. Let's break it first before we start to smooth it. Do you know why I don't want to let this blender roll faster? Because the faster your blender roll, the less your ingredient that contains in your product reduce. Maybe many of us do not know this. Even I never knew it not until they explained it to me. Okay, I think we are good to go. But before I will allow my blender to cool down before I will pull the bucket off. I think that was a mistake I made the other day when I had that accident of losing all my smoothies after blending them. Because after the blender might have rolled and rolled and rolled, obviously the button, maybe during that time of rolling, might lose a little bit. And by the time you just want to pull it off, everything will lose. So I have to allow it now to cool down. Let the blender cool down for some time before I will remove the bucket. I'm always afraid now that I'm going to make the same mistake of the other time. So whenever I'm using my blender, I am very, very attentive. Now we are going to be using this jug to store my smoothies. You see, these smoothies, I'm going to finish it within a day. I don't like preserving my smoothies because it can be a kind of inviting bacteria to your system. I don't have preservatives inside my fruits. So because of that, I made it fresh and I want to drink it fresh. This will be preserved in the refrigerator. Cheers, guys. Have a beautiful day and God bless you. Bye.